And here's day 33. I stayed last night, stood the rest of these trusses in the dark, and then it snowed all night, and it's gonna snow all day. Just never ends. If it's not cold, it's snowy. If it's not snowy, it's windy. If it's not windy, it's just cold. But I'm gonna start putting the sheets on here. It's gonna suck in the snow, but I gotta get this done. So I'll start on this side. I'll have to snap my line. I'll measure up off the fascia 48.5 on both sides, and then snap my line across, and then I'll put the first few sheets on there and sheet up a little bit, a couple of rows, and then I can build a sheet stand right there, and then I'll get the guy with the forklift over to lift my sheets up right there, and I'll just take them all, put a big stack right there, and then I could do the whole rest of the roof. This is actually a pretty easy roof to sheet. Just the one side here, straight across, and then the other side straight across. I still have to put that 2-foot strip on that. Well, I guess it's like a 3'6" strip on there, on that side that goes down there. And then once I have the two sides done, then I can put my valley trusses in, and this roof goes over top. These two gables connect. But for now, I'll put the sheets on this side and that side. So I gotta snap my line on here, but first I gotta clear out the snow. It'll be up 48, so it'll be about here, my line will be. So I think this brace is good, I don't have to move it yet. I got my line on that side marked at 48.5, and I have it marked here. So I'll just snap that all the way across. That's gonna be the top of my first row. Now on this corner lot side, on every one of these spaces, I need to put an insulation stop in on each one of those spaces so that the insulation doesn't blow out, because they're gonna blow this insulation into this attic. On the other side, it needs to be dense glassed. So I'll put these in this whole side, those ones, and then the 5 spaces on the end there. So I'll bring my first few sheets up here and put them on here. I'm just gonna bring them up to here, and then I'm just gonna throw it up onto these 2 sticks. So I can throw about 3 of them up, and then I'll come up, sheet them, and then I'll build a little stand for the rest of them. Well, I was planning on carrying them over there and throwing them up over there, but I gotta go through all this, so I think it's easier just to go right up the stairs and then straight up there. Maybe I can just from here and throw them up. Might have to put a stick on that end. Oh, that one made it. But I'll put another stick across here so they don't drop down. Now I have that 2x6 nailed on there, so all I have to do is bring them up the stairs, throw them up there. I can only do like 3 or 4 of those at a time. All that cardio makes me start to sweat, and when it's this cold out and you start to sweat, it really sucks. It's like you're freezing cold and burning hot at the same time. But I'll go put those 4 sheets down and build a sheet stand. So I'll start putting these sheets down. I got 4 up here. I was gonna start right on that corner, but I'm gonna work my way across. I was planning on pulling them up right there and then just sheeting them there, but I'll just start here and work my way across. This line is to the top of the first row, but if I start here, I don't actually have to put a sheet here because you don't need it. This roof is going to come over top. So I'll start the second row here, so I'll just use this as the bottom of the second row, this line. I'll put a sheet here, start here, and then work my way that way. I just put a couple nails on that line just to hold the sheet there, and I can throw the sheet there. This is the first 4 down. I'm gonna go grab 4 more and I'll just finish sheeting this side and then I could build the stand there. There's this side all done. I'm still gonna staple this off. I was just tacking it with the gun. We'll staple it all off. I'll build a sheet deck right there, and then he can come in with the forklift right there and lift the sheets up, and I'll pull them off onto my sheet deck. Now I'll put 1 sheet of plywood on it and nail that sheet down really good, and it'll be good to stack a whole bunch on. Now that's nailed up really good. It's nailed to the 2x4s, and then it's nailed into the trusses on every truss too. So that's good to stack a whole bunch of sheets on now. But while I wait for him to come over, I'll finish the dense glass on that side, like for the insulation stuff. I'll have to do it that side and then at the front too, and then I can sheet this whole side. I'm still waiting for him to come with the forklift, so I'm gonna finish my 1x4 strapping in here. I need 2 rows of 1x4 going along the whole bottom. I have the one at the front and the one at the back, but I need to keep it going the whole way. So I'll put those in, and then everywhere I have a wall running this way with the trusses, I need to put drywall backing on it. So I'll put this is a 2x6, so I'll put a 2x8 on it, hang it over a little bit both sides. If it's a 2x4 wall, I'll put a 2x6 on it and hang it over both sides. So I'll do all that stuff, the strapping and drywall backing. And then after the 1x4 strapping is all nailed, then you can nail your trusses all down to the interior walls. So I'll start going down this side with the green sheets. I'll snap another line at 48.5. Snapped on there. I'm gonna get these green sheets over the peak and down to there. this done all the way to here. I'm running out of green sheets though, and I need to save at least 6 of them, because when this roof comes in here, the first 3 feet of it need to be green. So I'm gonna need to save a bit of green for this. So the greens are all on the top of the pile. So I'll grab the greens I have and just put them here for now. And then I'll get to the blues, and I can use the blues to finish this side. I got the blues dug out. I'll start going on this side. Well, it's getting dark. I think I'll just finish this in the morning. Just have a few more rows here. And the same thing on this side. I have the little stripper roof over there. And then I can put that last piece of fascia on, finish that. Once I have the rest of this all sheeted, then I can bring up those valley trusses and put them in here. And then it'll be about 4 sides left to sheet. Now it's time for a beer.